A lot of the time when you're working with text in Illustrator, you'll be getting the text from somebody else. That is, they might send you a word processing document, or an email, or a plain text document. In this video, we'll see how to place external text files into Illustrator. I have a blank document here, and I'm just going to go up to the File menu to Place. You can import lots of different file formats, including Word, plain text, and rich text. I have a Word document here, so I'll just select it and click Place. Now you get an options dialog asking you if you want to include things like the table of contents text or the index text. Usually you don't need those things, so I'm going to uncheck all of them and click OK. And now Illustrator places that text in an area type object in the center of my page. And you can see that I have different fonts and different point sizes, and that's how it was formatted in Word. I'm going to delete that and go back up to File Place. I'll grab that same document, and this time I'm going to check Remove Text Formatting. So all of those fonts in different sizes are not going to come through. What we have now is an area type that's all Myriad Pro, regular, 12 point. Now, is this just some random font and size that Adobe chooses? Well, not really. If I go over to the Character Styles panel, you'll see something called Normal Character Style. I'll double-click it to open up its settings, and you can see that the basic character formats are Myriad Pro, regular, 12 point. So this is just the default character style that Adobe uses for all Illustrator documents. And we'll be talking more about character styles in an upcoming video. I'll delete that and go over to my Type tool and drag out an area type object. Then I'll go back up to File Place and place that same document. Now you can see that that text was placed inside that area type object, and it's too small and I have overset text. I can adjust the size of the area type object or the size of my type or both. I'm going to delete that and go back to my Type tool and click once on the artboard to create a point type object. I'll go back up to the File menu one last time to Place, and I'll get that same document, and this time I'm not going to remove the text formatting. And there you see I have point type with the text formatting maintained. I'll hide the bounding box so you can see it better, and there's my point text with each paragraph on its own line. So these are just the various ways that you can place external text into your Illustrator files. The next section of the course is all about fonts. We'll look at the different kinds of fonts available in Illustrator, how to use the Glyphs panel and the OpenType panel, how to find and replace the fonts in your document, and how to convert text to vector paths.